Hello, everyone, and good evening to you all. My name is Felton Parker. Today is Monday, April 28, 2025. As always, each day is a wonderful day to be blessed by our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. I sincerely hope you folks enjoyed your weekend, and I sincerely hope you folks had a truly blessed and wonderful Monday. What I have for you guys in tonight's video is the list of all the National Day holidays from my National Day calendar segment. That includes my featured National Day holiday. Also tonight, right after my National Day calendar segment, I'll have my famous birthday segment for you all, where it features our famous people who were born on this day. And also tonight, in my weather segment, I will let you all know exactly what we're expecting for tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the remainder of this week, the upcoming weekend, and on to the start of next week. So without further ado, let's get things started here on this Monday night as we conclude this day, and also as we start another week, as we begin another week. Of course, today was National Superhero Day. So who's your favorite superhero? Batman? Spider-Man? Was it Batman? Spider-Man? Superman? Wonder Woman? They're all out there. National Superhero Day. Have you ever been rescued from a risky situation or saved from injury or death? Those who come to our aid are called heroes. Some heroes happen to be right in National Superhero Day. Have you ever been rescued from a risky situation or saved from injury or death? Those who come to our aid are called heroes. Some heroes happen to be in the right place at the right time. Others choose to be a hero as a career, even though they wouldn't call themselves heroes. Others still are fictional creations that inspire us with hope. Each year on this day, National Superhero Day honors superheroes both real and fictional. Hashtag National Superhero Day. Batman, Superman, Captain America, Wonder Woman, Iron Man. Batman, Superman, Captain America, Wonder Woman, Iron Man, Hulk, and Spider-Man are just some of the superheroes whose names we recognize. Even though they are fictional, these superheroes provide role models for our children. They serve and protect while fighting. They serve and protect while fighting evil. Our real-life superheroes may not have superpowers or wear capes. However, just like fictional superheroes, children also look up. Our real-life superheroes may not have superpowers or wear capes. However, just like fictional superheroes, children also look up to them as role models. They serve and protect their communities. Those real-life superheroes also dedicate their lives to helping others, saving lives, or being a mentor. Military personnel, police officers, firefighters, and teachers are just a few of the heroes who protect us on a daily basis. So here's how to observe. Take your favorite superhero to lunch and say thank you for all they do. Let them know that you appreciate them. Share what you think makes a hero. Take a picture with your favorite hero and post it on social media. Draw your version of a superhero. If you could have one superpower, what would it be? Share your stories and experiences by using hashtag National Superhero Day. In 1995, Marvel Comics' employees and created National Superhero Day. Lee Falk created the first superhero, the Phantom, which debuted in 1936. Not all superheroes have special powers. Some superheroes, like Batman, use specialized gear to help them with their crime-fighting ways. So, like Batman, Superman, Captain America, Hulk, just to name a few, are what we consider our superheroes. Today also was Global Pay It Forward Day, National Bravehearts Day, National Blueberry Pie Day, and also today was National Great Poetry Reading Day. And here's my famous birthday segment here on this Monday night. Hard to believe that after today we only have 2 days left to go in this month. So here are famous people who were born on this day. Monday, April 28th. Excuse me. Today, pop singer Melanie Martinez turns 30. Movie actress Jessica Alba turns 44. Movie actress Penelope Cruz turns 51. TV show host Jay Leno turns 75. TV actor Harry Shum Jr. turns 43. Rapper Violent J turns 53. Rapper Lefty Gunplay turns 29. Movie actress Anne Margaret turns 84. Baseball player Anthony Volpe turns 24. TV show host Drew Scott turns 47. Movie actress Austin Johnson turns 19. Rapper Too Short turns 59. TV actress Kelmuntalo Tarbell turns 19. TV actor George Garcia turns 52. Movie actress Alicia Allen turns 34. Rapper Klondike Blonde turns 28. Movie actress Samantha Rue Prebu turns 38. TV show host Jonathan Scott turns 47. Movie actress Mary McDonald turns 73. Movie actress Bridget Moynihan turns 54. And movie actress Jenna Ushkowitz turns 39. Those are following famous people who were born, who have had, are famous people who have had their birthday celebrated on this day, on today's date, Monday, April 28th. Excuse me. So those are following famous people who have had birthdays earlier today on this day, Monday, April 28th. So now here's a recap of the 20. Now, because I did not have much time to talk to you guys about this in my weekend video Saturday night, I'm gonna give you guys a recap of the 2025 NFL Draft. The 2025 NFL Draft was the 90th annual meeting. The 2025 NFL Draft was the 90th annual meeting. The 2025 NFL Draft was the 90th annual meeting of NFL franchises to select newly eligible players. The draft was held at Lambeau Field and is in adjacent Chinatown District in Green Bay, Wisconsin, on April 24th through 26th of 2025. The Tennessee Titans, who tied with the Cleveland Browns and New York Giants for the worst record during the 2024 season, held the first overall pick and selected Cam Ward, a quarterback from the Miami Hurricanes. For the first time in the common draft era, the 2025 draft commenced with all teams holding their original selections in the first round. However, the Houston Texans and Los Angeles Rams ended up trading out of the first round after the draft had begun. Of course, I'm gonna go over your who were in the final round of the NFL draft, which took place on Saturday. So let's see. I'm not gonna. So the fourth pick in 120. In the fourth pick, the New Orleans Saints selected Danny Stutzman, linebacker. Danny Stutzman from Oklahoma. The New Orleans Saints selected Danny Stutzman, linebacker from Oklahoma. Also, the New Orleans Saints selects in the fourth round. The New Orleans Saints also selects cornerback Quincy Riley from Louisville, traded from Washington. Also, in the fifth round, the Dallas Cowboys selects. In the fifth round, the Dallas Cowboys selects running back. Dallas Cowboys selects running back Jaden Blue from Texas. Also, the Dallas Cowboys selects linebacker. Dallas Cowboys selects linebacker Shamar James from Florida, traded from Arizona. In the sixth round, the New Orleans Saints selects running back Devin Neal from Kansas. Actually, he was traded from New Orleans through Washington. And the Dallas Cowboys selects in the sixth round The Dallas Cowboys selects offensive. Dallas Cowboys selects offensive tackle. Dallas Cowboys selects offensive tackle Ajani Cornelius from Oregon. Actually, he was traded from Washington via Cleveland and Buffalo. Also, in the 6th round, Dallas Cowboys selects defensive tackle Jay Toya from UCLA. Actually, traded from New Orleans, from Tennessee via New England. And the Dallas Cowboys selects running back Phil Mafia from Clemson. Actually, he gets traded from Green Bay through via Tennessee. And the Dallas Cowboys selects defensive tackle Tony Akambetsoli from Maryland. Actually, Kansas City via Carolina. And the New Orleans Saints selects Maliki Matavo. The New Orleans Saints selects tight end. New Orleans Saints selects Maliki Matavo from UCLA. Actually, he comes from Philadelphia via Washington. And the New Orleans Saints also selects defensive end Fadi Diggs from Syracuse. So those are the last rounds of the 2025 NFL Draft, which took place late last, which took place Thursday through Saturday, April 24th through 26th. So that was a recap of the 2025 NFL Draft. Now let's get to it with your weather, and of course we have another potentially very active week upon us. We have another potentially active week upon us. With that, we have another potentially active week upon us, and we expect another humid night with storms north of I-30. Now here's your weather. Humid and warmer than normal conditions. Humid and warmer than normal conditions, mid to upper 60s will continue overnight on southerly winds. Chances of rain from showers and thunderstorms will be humid and warmer than normal conditions, mid to upper 60s will continue overnight on southerly winds. Chances of rain from showers and thunderstorms will be higher along the north of I-30 around and after midnight. So what you see on the left is another mild night on the way with southerly winds, with lows mostly in the upper 60s, with temperatures mainly on the warm side. Rain chances tonight. Rain chances will be higher after midnight, especially across the northwestern quadrant of our 4-state region. Expect a potentially heavy rainfall by midweek, especially on Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms will return by midweek with rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches, leading to possible flooding across our northwestern areas. So, excessive rainfall possible. Periods of heavy rainfall expected in our northwestern forecast zones. Day 3 excessive rain outlook. Here are the specifics. Wednesday through Wednesday night, northwestern portions of the 4-state region. Rainfall amounts 2 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts. Heavy rainfall may lead to flooding of low-lying areas, rivers, creeks, and roads. So what you see here in the Shreveport, immediate Shreveport area, is that we have a marginal risk at least 5%, 5 to 15. That's marginal slight risk at least 5 to 15% of excessive rainfall. That's what could be on the way. And also the rainfall amounts between 1.5 inches to possibly up to 1 inch, especially across the Shreveport area. So we could be dealing with quite a bit of rain as we go into the next few days, next couple of days from now. Here are your averages and records for this day, Monday, April 28th. Normal high is 80, normal low is 58. 92 is the record high set on this day back in 1887. 43 is the record low set on this day back in 1973. And we are, with the exception of our northern Texas counties and portions of central and south and southern Oklahoma, are under a flood watch. Elsewhere, we're not under a watch or warning here on this Monday night. We're seeing a few showers across these portions of south and southeast Oklahoma, northeast Texas here on this Monday, and just a few spotty showers across our counties a number of counties in East Texas, and also here in the Shreveport area. But none of these are affecting Shreveport area. But also heaviest of the rain. This is like the OKC metro area, and most portions of central Oklahoma, and also portions of north central Texas. That's the north of the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area, and also now in a portion of south central Texas is where they're experiencing some heavy rains here on this Monday. Now elsewhere, we're all quiet. But I do have another week of. But we do have another week of very active weather on the way. So now today turned out to be another unusually warm day. Temperature started off right on the warm and muggy side. Again, we've seen a mix of clouds and sunshine. We've had partly mostly cloudy skies at times with daytime, and also we've seen rather breezy conditions at times. So our actual high temperature, if I'm not mistaken, was. Now we actually reached the mid to upper 80s earlier today, so it turned out to be another warmer than average day. Not quite record setting, but still another warmer than normal day. After starting off in the 70s, so it was a rather very muggy start to the day. Temperature outside here on this Monday night is 75 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Humidity is 74%, dew point is 66 degrees. We have a south wind at 9 miles per hour. Barometric pressure is at 30.03 inches of mercury. Areas of excessive rainfall and severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. Heavy to excessive rainfall is forecast over North Texas into Oklahoma Tuesday. Locally, catastrophic flooding will be possible across portions of southwest Oklahoma. Flood watches have been issued. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible within the broad swath from the lower Great Lakes to the southern High Plains Tuesday afternoon into the evening. So tonight we'll start to see skies becoming mostly cloudy and mild. Low temperature tonight 69 degrees. So we're basically not going to drop much overnight from where we are right now. Low temperature tonight 69 degrees with the south wind at 8 miles per hour, and no chance of rain is expected. Now tomorrow going to your Tuesday, it will be very warm and humid with the increased amounts of sun. That means it will be very warm and humid with partly mostly sunny skies. The high temperature tomorrow 87 degrees. We have a south-southeast wind at 10 miles per hour, and no rain is expected tomorrow for your Tuesday. But it looks like we have additional rain chances in the forecast, basically for the rest of this week. So it looks like that we could be dealing with another very active another week of very active. So we could be dealing with. But get yourselves prepared. But what could be a very active and busy for the remainder of the week with rain chances in the forecast, basically every day for the remainder of the week. Say for tomorrow, so we're gonna have chances of off and on. We're gonna be chances of off and on storms in the forecast, basically for much of the remainder of this week. So we expect skies to be. So we have mostly cloudy and completely overcast skies overnight tonight. So we'll start out tomorrow morning 6 a.m. with cloudy skies. We should be at 70 degrees. 9 a.m. tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies. We should be at 75 degrees. Noon tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. We should be at 82 degrees. 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon with partly cloudy skies. We should be at 85 degrees. 6 p.m. tomorrow evening with partly cloudy skies. We should be at 84 degrees. 9 p.m. tomorrow night with partly cloudy skies. We should be at 78 degrees. So much like we've experienced during the day yesterday, much like what we experienced during the day today, we're gonna expect similar conditions tomorrow with daytime highs reaching the mid to upper 80s. But rain chances are on the way, but just not tomorrow. And here's what the next 7 to 10 days have in store for us. So at the low temperature night 69 degrees, it would be a mild evening with temperatures basically will be on the warm side. It would be a mild evening for us tonight with partly mostly cloudy skies as we bottom out at 69 degrees after low temperature night 69 degrees. Tomorrow going to your Tuesday, it will be very warm and humid with partly mostly cloudy skies. High of 87. So tomorrow going into your Tuesday, it will be very warm and humid with partly mostly sunny skies tomorrow as you go into your Tuesday. High of 87, low of 68. Winds will be from the south-southeast at 10 miles per hour and no rain is expected. But get yourselves prepared. It looks like on Wednesday we could have a possible severe weather threat. So I will keep you guys posted on that with the latest. Going to your Wednesday, expect partly mostly cloudy skies will be breezy and humid with a few showers and thunderstorms. High of 86, low of 69. Winds will be from the south at 14 miles per hour. We could see gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance rain 90%. That's for your Wednesday. Now for your Thursday. Now as we go into your Thursday, as we start the month of May, it will be very warm and humid with partly cloudy skies. Expect a couple showers in the morning, followed by a few thunderstorms in the afternoon for your Thursday. High of 86, low of 65. Winds will be from the southwest at 10 miles per hour. Chance rain 40%. Friday, it would expect partly mostly cloudy skies with a few showers and thunderstorms. It will be humid. Of course, thunderstorms can bring localized damaging wind gusts, hail, and flooding downpours. This is like when we get to your Friday. Good evening to you, Matt. How are you doing on this Monday night? And how was your day today? How are you doing on this Monday night, man? And how was your day today? Now for your Friday, so it looks like that Friday we could have another possible severe weather threat. I will keep you guys posted if anything occurs within around there for your Friday. Now for your Saturday, as we go into the upcoming weekend, it would expect mostly cloudy skies with the high of 80, low of 58. Winds will be from the east at 8 miles per hour. Chance rain 20%. Be mostly cloudy with maybe just a slight chance of a couple showers or two possible. That's for your Saturday. Now for your Sunday, expect cloudy skies with a few showers in the afternoon for your Sunday. High of 82, low of 60. Winds will be from the southeast at 8 miles per hour. Chance rain 70%. As we get into the start of next week, which will be the 5th, next Monday, which of course is the 5th, it will be mostly cloudy and warm with the few showers and thunderstorms possible. High of 88, low of 64. Winds will be from the southeast at 12 miles per hour. Chance rain 40%. Looks like basically the remainder of next week, expect now going to your Tuesday, it will be now for next Tuesday, which is the 6th, expect cloudy skies with a couple showers with highs in the mid-80s. Chance rain 40%. Now for your Wednesday, which is the 7th, it will be cloudy with a few showers and thunderstorms likely. Cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. With highs reaching highs in the mid-80s. Chance rain 70%. Looks like by Thursday of next week, which is the 8th, expect partly cloudy skies with highs in the low 80s with no rain expected. So how was your day today, Matt? So it looks like basically, with the exception of so it looks like that basically much of the remainder of the week is going to be very unsettled with off and on rain chances over the next several days. Looks like that. I take that back when I said about Friday with the possible severe weather threat, but as of right now, it looks like looks like that much of the remainder of this week is going to be very unsettled with off and on rain chances. So and temperatures will most likely be could be on the warm side over the next several within the next several days. High temperatures mostly in the 80s. So we would likely have highs most likely have highs in the mid 80s for both tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and also Wednesday and Thursday. We'll cool down a bit, somewhat on Friday, with highs reaching the upper 70s by the time we get to your Friday. Then we'll have highs in the low 80s, which is kind of like closer to where we should be this time of year for both Saturday and Sunday. And then we quickly warm things up to the upper 80s by the time we get to the start of next week. Now your rain chances. No rain expected tomorrow. 90% chance on Wednesday with the possible severe weather threat on the way. So I'll keep you guys posted. Now that's in the forecast for your Friday. 9% Friday. Then we'll have chances of scattered showers and storms each day. Only 40% rain chance for both Thursday and Friday. 20% Saturday, 70% Sunday, and chances right 70% for Sunday. Then will be 40% by the time we get to your Monday, as we get to the start of next week. Looks like that rain chances could linger into the as we go towards the middle of next week before possibly we dry out later next week. So it is that time of year. It is severe weather season. So it's that time of year. We have a very active system that's going to bring us at least a few days of very rough weather. So well, we don't have to deal with now. We do not have any wet weather to deal with during the day tomorrow. But it looks like that things could be changing, especially going to your Wednesday. Looks like Wednesday happens to be the highest rain chance, and rainfall total is expected to be anywhere between an inch and a half to possibly at least over an inch. The possibly up to 2 inches or even possibly greater in some spots. Well, that will be all that I have for you guys here on this Monday night. Once again, my name is Felton Parker. I'm officially signing off here. You guys have a good night. Sleep peacefully. Take care of yourselves and each other. Most of all, remain blessed and stay safe. Thank you.